In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loan in QuickBooks. This process might sound a bit daunting at first, but I assure you it's quite straightforward and we'll have it all set up in about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in option and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to select which QuickBooks product you're using. For our purposes today, make sure to choose QuickBooks Online. It's important to select the correct option so that everything runs smoothly. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. Provide your login details as requested. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. If everything is correct, this will log you into your QuickBooks account, ready to start the setup process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab. You'll find this tab in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking here will open up a range of financial options for you to explore. Next, you want to click on the Chart of Accounts. This is a crucial step because the Chart of Accounts is where all your financial data resides, and it's essentially the backbone of your accounting system. Clicking here will lead you to a comprehensive list of your current accounts. With the Chart of Accounts open, the next step is to create a new account specifically for your loan. To do this, look for the New button on the screen and click it. This is where you'll define the details of your loan. For the account name, type in the loan's name. It could be something like company car loan or anything descriptive that suits your purpose. Naming it appropriately will help you easily identify it later on amidst other accounts. After naming the account, you need to specify the account type. Choose long-term liabilities from the drop-down menu. This option categorizes your loan appropriately in your accounts, as loans are generally considered liabilities that extend beyond a year. Following that, select other long-term liabilities in the detail type field. This step further refines the classification of your loan, ensuring it's recorded accurately within QuickBooks. Finally, after ensuring all details are correct, click on the Save button. Saving your new account will finalize the setup process and your loan will be successfully added to your chart of accounts. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now set up a loan in QuickBooks. Remember that keeping accurate financial records is crucial for good bookkeeping and can make a significant difference in your financial management. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.